10:30 in the morning. It's probably the earliest I've ever done a grocery haul and like actually gone in person to get my groceries. Sydney and I just got some groceries. This is the outfit she decided on today, but she's gonna be sweating in 5 seconds. Stopped at Dunkin' Donuts, grabbed myself a egg and cheese croissant and then a iced mocha latte. Figured we would get our grocery shopping out of the way really fast. And then we're gonna do preschool, even though we're usually done preschool by now, but we're gonna start our preschool after we put these groceries away. Okay, so what's the weather today?
Sun.
Sunny, no clouds?
No clouds.
You looked?
Yes, no clouds.
Okay. So Sydney and I, we usually do an at-home preschool session every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. We've just completed our first week and we are on to our second week. So I'm going to be filming our daily routine with preschool at home probably this Wednesday. So you guys will see that very soon. But I just wanted to show you a little clip of, you know, our actual day in the life here. So we did some preschool. I read her some books. We did some worksheets and other counting activities. I'll show you just a little glimpse. Obviously it changes every day because I kind of like change the lessons. But I'm hoping you guys enjoy seeing a little glimpse of it.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
Okay, now look at this owl.
About to see
Which?
the world in action.
Well, those are the same, yeah. But now we're on to this row.
Like
You ready? Now look at this owl and tell me which of these owl matches this one. Good job, circle it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6. So trace the number 6. Here. Yeah, hold it just like that. Good job. Just follow the blue line.
4, 5, 7, 8.
Okay, what is up, you guys? I feel like it's been so long since I've done a vlog, even though it's only been a week. I mean, technically, I don't know, because my last video, whatever, either way, hello. I've missed you guys. I've missed regularly uploading 3 videos a week, but just know, I've been telling everyone on Instagram, I have been working so hard behind the scenes with my cookbook and with Momtober. You drew a C? And preschool and all of the above. So we've been so busy. I've been working. It's not like I've been slacking and taking a vacation. I've just been working so much. So Sydney and I, we went to Hannaford early this morning, which is something I never do. I was gonna do delivery, but then, you know, today's a holiday and they weren't gonna deliver today, so that's okay. Well, Labor Day. So yeah, I picked up a bunch of things because I have some recipes that I want to make and like take pictures of. The fall cookbook, my fall recipes, will be available at the end of this week, and I will definitely give you the link when it is available, and I'm so excited. Fall is my favorite for food and recipes and baking and all of the above. So many good recipes, in my opinion, are going to be available for you guys, so you're all done. So yeah, that is basically what we are doing right now. I still have to get ready for the day. I basically just woke up, brushed my hair and threw some clothes on and then ran to Hannaford. So I still have to get I'm gonna do my hair and get myself ready because I also have to take a picture for Instagram for a sponsorship that I am working on, for a collaboration that I'm working on. So lots of work, and I'm just so blessed to have this work, so I'm so excited. But yeah, wanted to update you on the fall recipes in case you don't follow me on Instagram. That will be available at the end of this week, and again, I will just let you know when it's available. So I'll probably just share with you a couple of sneak peek recipes that I'm making today for the fall cookbook. I've got a lot of good things on there. So I have laundry to do, dishes to do, of course, like normal mom life, and I'm gonna finish wrapping up, taking pictures and writing down the rest of my recipes and just making sure that I have all the measurements like where I want them to be, you know, because I'm not a whole like big measuring ingredient person, but to write the recipes I have to be. Oh, that fell down, that fell down.
What we can be, life with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Be free. Not looking back. Eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run. This is what we waited for. Oh, take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out.
Show with all your friends?
Yeah, I like friends.
That's so sweet.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are fine.
Okay, so we are sitting down to have some lunch. I just made like a harvest autumn salad with a homemade apple vinaigrette. Sydney loves salad. I was just playing with all my stuff.
I mean, playing with your food.
Are you supposed to play with your food?
Uh-huh.
Are you supposed to eat your food?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna play with my food.
Oh, stinker.
Yeah.
Anyway, that is another recipe. Everything that you see today as far as food goes is going in my fall recipes. Just FYI, but it is so yummy. I figured today would be a good salad day. It's a nice day. I think it's like 74, something like that. Sunny. It's like the last hoorah.
Apple.
I know.
Eat it.
Most of you guys are in like the 90s and 100s
Eat
still.
it. I want a big piece of that.
You have apples in there.
Oh, but I want a big piece of that.
No, no big pieces because you could choke. Mama chopped yours up really good. I'm going to chop mine up too, okay?
How about I can take some pieces. I can take some.
You have small pieces in yours. I'm going to cut mine up right now too. Look, there's pecans and apples in there. There you go. Okay, Sydney nailed it. Sydney nailed it. You see how cute that is? We'll be posting on Instagram whenever that is approved. We just took our pictures and now we are gonna go play. Well, Sydney's gonna play and Mommy has some work to do. Like, you know, cleaning up the garage, fun stuff. Look at me. What are you eating? What are you eating? Where is it? Show me. Show me what you're eating. Pringles? What? I haven't had Pringles since I was a little kid. Yum.
Colgate. Mama, this is the combo.
Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me.
Cindy's picking up the yard, picking up a bunch of sticks. She's trying to pick up some acorns. Look at, you guys look. We have so many acorns, but she's made an acorn soup, she said. And she's picking up the yard. And then I've moved all of my plants to get some sunshine since we are losing sun and daylight so fast come the fall.
Yeah, let's go. Be free with me. Oh, come on and let's go. Let's be free with me. Yeah, be free, be free, be free with me.
Are you ready, Freddie? Okay, I'll put it in the strainer. Good job.
Now I'm gonna do some more.
Yeah. Okay, so Sydney played outside for a little while. I was able to get some like just house chores done. So now I'm gonna be making some apple cider donuts and I'm so excited. I just finally got these silicone donut molds in and I'm so excited to make some. And we're probably gonna head to the beach later and have our apple cider donut snack after dinner, of course. But yeah, can't wait, can't wait. These will also be available on the fall cookbook as well, of course. Where did then all the clumps are left right here. We'll just kind of like push the clumps through. All right, Sydney, mac and cheese is done. Okay. So Sydney and I are heading to the beach right now. We are gonna hit sunset. So sunset's in about an hour or a little bit less than an hour. So we are gonna just try to pop over there and see if we can just, I don't know. It's kind of overcast, but whatever. We're just gonna go to the beach and hang out for about 45 minutes to an hour. I brought our donuts.
I eat one in the car.
No, we're gonna eat them at the beach. They're really sugary. And all right, we made it to the beach. Someone's so excited. Oh my word, I just feel like so exhausted because all I've been doing is go, go, go. Whew. I'm excited for these donuts though. Are you excited for the donuts? Yeah. A little bit. If you're cold, honey, you'll have to wear your unicorn thing, but good grief, I didn't realize how chilly it was.
But no.
I should know better. The ocean is always chilly.
But no, because I don't want to step. No, because I.
Okay, it's so cold. You want your donut?
Yeah.
How good do those look? Okay, go ahead and pick one. Don't drop it, okay? Tell me how it is.
Yummy.
Yummy. So beautiful. went to the car and put on her unicorn. I don't know if you can hear me with the wind right now, but she was so cold we had to put on her little like unicorn thing, and she randomly wanted to bring that with her, so I'm so glad that she did. So otherwise she would have not made it. But it's so beautiful. It's very cold. It's like 65 and really windy. Yeah, we got some beautiful shells, and we're gonna watch the sunset, and then we'll go home. Oh, that's a cool one. What is that? Interesting. Look at that. That's so beautiful.
So beautiful.
So beautiful.
Is something?
So beautiful. Not like the best, but. And instantly, look at my hair. Like instantly down. Oh, the humidity. Anyway, we are heading home now because it's past Sydney's bedtime. It's 7:05 and her bedtime is 7. Lucky girl. Lucky girl, you got to stay up a little late to go. Was that fun though? She collected a ton of seashells and we walked and it was freezing. Next time I know better, bring a sweatshirt. Bring a sweatshirt. Okay, Sydney is in bed. I just sat down to import this footage and look at what I got today because I feel like I didn't talk to the camera a whole lot, but I was like, you know, showing you our day. Basically, I'm gonna sit down, edit a bunch. I might not finish the video, but I'm gonna edit a bunch and then I'm gonna take myself a bubble bath. It's just, 'tis the season. When the weather starts getting colder, I want to just be warm and cozy, and I wanna sleep really well tonight so that I can wake up really early before Sydney like I have been doing. I'm definitely going to show you very soon I'm probably going to film it on Wednesday, so that will be going up soon, our full day of preschool at home routine and lessons and all of that jazz. I know you guys want to see it. Well, at least I feel like you want to see it. There have been a bunch of people asking me to see it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Sydney's in bed right now, and like I said, I'm gonna hop myself in the bath right after I finish editing. So no more donuts though. I feel like it's a lot of sugar. So this is what the donuts look like. They've obviously been in the container for, you know, a few hours at this point. There's like 2 or 3 of them that I didn't put cinnamon sugar on that I might glaze. I don't know, I might leave them plain, I might glaze them, but I wanted to just leave some of them plain to see what, you know, what I could do with those, but they came out so stinking good.
You and I can weather any storm.